Students, I just want to make you clear about properties of division of integers, because in previous classes we have studied about properties of divisions, in which first property was closure property, and I told you that when an integer is divided by an integer, then we get an integer. Okay, it is right, but some cases when we divided an integer by integer, then we can't get an integer. What is it? Suppose that a divided by b is equal to an integer. Okay na? A is equal to 15 divided by 5, then 3. 3 is an integer, but when divide 7 by 2, then we get 7 by 2, which is not an integer. Then both cases can be happened. Okay na? Your result may be integers or may not be an integer. Okay na? Our next division of integer by itself. When we divide an integer by an integer, we get an integer. Where we have to remember always that when we talk about integer divided by an integer, then we must not have to take 0, because in previous class, as you have studied about 0, property of 0, that when number is divided by 0, then answer is meaningless. Means we can't divide a number by 0. That's why I did not cited this sentence in previous class. But now I want to make you clear that we have to take always non-zero number. Means we can say that when non-zero integer is divided by itself, then we get number itself. Okay, what is it? Non-zero means 5 divided by 5, we get 1. Minus 3 divided by minus 3, we get 1. But you write 7 divided by 0, we get anything, because it is meaningless. So it is not valid here. Okay na? Our next is division by of an integer by minus 1. When we divide an integer by minus 1, we get there is a means additive inverse of that number. What is it? Here means yes, here you must have to keep in your mind that here an integer must be what? Non-zero. What I say? A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 7. Suppose A is equal to 5. 5 divided by minus 1. What happened? Minus 5. But when you divide minus 0 minus 1, can we get minus 0? No. That's why I told you that integer must be non-zero or must not be 0. Okay na? Our next clarification is division and integer by what? Division of 0 by an integer. Means when we divide 0 by an integer which is not 0, means except 0, like, then we get 0 as quotient. Okay? 0 divided by 5, we get 0. But when 0 is divided by 0, it is also meaningless. That's why we have to exclude 0. We have not to take 0 as an integer, means as a divisor. It was all about your clarification regarding these signs or regarding these integers, because such type of things you have studied already in class 6. Means in class 6 it has cleared that, means you have not to means when we divide anything or any number by 0, then we means our result is meaningless or not defined. That's why I did not tell more about this in your previous class. Okay, I hope your concept is clear. Okay, bye.